Hi, I'm Nick.
And I'm Delaney.
Welcome to 4-Minute Friday Fun with BCSC Tech. Where are we coming from today?
Columbus North High School.
They're doing their senior projects yesterday and today, so glad to be here. So what are we learning about today?
We are doing some updates on our favorite screen recording tool, Screencastify.
So is it free?
For free.
It is free.
You can pay for it, but you don't need to.
Yeah, Screencastify. If you want to give us a free version, we'll take it. But
we could sponsor you. Be sponsored by you.
Yes. So Screencastify is the Chrome extension. So this is showing where it is in the Chrome store. But we wanted to show you some of the updated features.
So we're going to use 13 things you didn't know about armadillos for Bill Jensen. Shout out.
So one of the things you can do are the extensions up here in the top right.
It looks a little different now too. It's a red arrow with a video camera in the middle.
Used to be just like a film, black film. So you have the option of recording your tab, recording the entire desktop, which is what we're doing.
Or you can just use the webcam.
Yep, which is fantastic. So tell us about these tools down here.
So you have some tools down here. You can see that I have the timer running, which is just this option. You can take it off or you can leave it on. It's really nice in our case because we got to keep it under 4 minutes, hopefully.
Yep.
You have some different pointer tools. So right now I just have the normal pointer, but if I click this, when I click things, it has the red circle so you can see where I'm clicking.
That is nice.
Or there's this one that kind of dims the whole page except for what you're on, which is really nice.
Yeah.
Then you have a drawing tool where you can draw some hearts on here or whatever you want. And then you can erase said heart if you would like it erased.
I'm trying to decide if that is an animal that's cute or not.
I think it's adorable. See?
Okay.
Even Screencastify thinks so.
Okay. And then when you're done recording, it has some nice features in that it will automatically save to your Google Drive.
Yes, which is awesome.
You can then automatically also upload it to YouTube, which is what we do.
Yes. One other thing, quickly. We can now pause, wait for it, and restart our recording, which is pretty cool because sometimes we just get flustered and we have to stop it.
Yes.
And then we would have to start all over. So, this is awesome.
All right. Thanks for joining us.
Have a happy Friday.